So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope so that you all were fine. So today in this video I'm going to explain about MetaMask, which is the extension available online for Ether currency transaction purpose. So these kind of transactions are really very uh, important for you to know because right now blockchain comes into existence again, and as we all know that blockchain having uh, everything that we provide for transaction, for safe transaction, peer-to-peer transaction. It will cover all the topics like decentralization, and decentralized is the most important part in case of blockchain because we have all the access of every node. So this is the very great thing. But right now in this video the main purpose is to give you a 0.01 ether for free. So watch this video till end. And if you want to change the network from ether to any another one, but you found something error, and you don't able to do that, then I am here to assist you with. So let us uh, move on and see that how we will getting all these ether for free and change the network to Rinkeby and ether and any other network. Okay, so let me click over here. So what I am doing, I am explaining about the changing of network procedure. If you are not able to change to Rinkeby or any other network, then how did you do that? I will explaining that. Okay. So I have click over here and go to settings. After going to setting, I am going to advanced and scroll down. So here is it. It is written that show test networks. So you just have to enable this. In my case, I have enabled it. Okay, by default. And now I am able to change any currency. Like I would like to change to Rinkeby, and now let me come toward the point that how did you get this ether for free. So the thing that you have to do is you just have to copy your unique ID, that is this, and open any new tab and search for Rinkeby. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं जो rinkbyfaucet.com, and when I click on enter, then here is the address which is written, but in my case it's not working because I have already claimed 2 ether for free. So in your case, if you want to uh, claim that, you just have to click on submit and then wait. But in my case, as I have already told you that I have already sent many requests for ether, for free ether. There are many other sites from which you get up to 18 ethers. So I will be telling you furthermore. For that, you just have to click on subscribe button and like this video. Up till, have a nice day.